Is your account suspended by Instagram and you want to recover your account by any chance? Don't worry, in this video I will show you a complete guide on how to recover your deactivated Instagram account. Let's see. First, open any browser, search Instagram account disable. Now tap on the My Instagram account deactivated link. Here you can see the instructions about deactivating the account. Now you need to tap on I understand and wise to continue. After that, you can see a form with your contact information. Now you need to fill up those boxes by your full name, username, and write a proper explanation why they should recover your account back. And if you have any government documents, you can attach them like a driver's license, ID card, anything. Now tick mark on the term and use. After that, tap on the send button and hopefully Instagram notify you via email your account has been restored. So this is the way you can restore your Instagram suspended account. If you have any questions, write in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!